If you want your floors to stay clean without lifting a finger every day, the iRobot Roomba Plus 415X combo might be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything this robot vacuum and mop combo offers, how well it performs, and whether it's actually worth the price tag. Let's start with the basics. The Roomba Plus 415X is a mid-range robot vacuum and mop with a slim, low-profile design, which means it can slide under couches, beds, and cabinets that taller robots simply can't reach. Instead of using LiDAR like some other models in the Roomba lineup, this one relies on camera-based navigation. That slimmer profile combined with camera navigation lets it access more of your home. And it does a solid job mapping out rooms so you can set up cleaning zones, schedules, and even ask it to clean specific rooms through the app. When it comes to actual cleaning, the 415X uses a single rubber brush roller, along with a side brush to pull in dirt, dust, and debris. It also comes with automatic carpet detection, so the moment it senses carpet, it lifts its mop pads up and out of the way so it doesn't leave your carpet wet. For vacuuming, it also automatically empties collected dust into the docking station, so you're not constantly emptying a bin by hand. Now let's talk about the mopping side, because this is really where the 415X tries to stand out. It uses dual spinning mop pads instead of a traditional drag mop, which gives it a scrubbing motion that does a noticeably better job on grime and light stains. One of the mop pads also extends outward, which helps it get closer to walls and edges than most robot mops manage. And once it's done cleaning, the dock takes over, washing the mop pads and drying them with hot air, so you're not left with a musty smell or damp pads sitting around. The dock itself is pretty well equipped too, with a dust bag, a clean water tank, a dirty water tank, and a self-maintenance system that keeps the whole unit running smoothly. In terms of real-world performance, navigation and mapping are generally accurate and reliable, so you don't have to worry about it getting lost or missing rooms. Edge cleaning is a clear strength here, thanks to that extending mop pad and the hot air drying system. While running, stays relatively quiet compared to what you'd expect. That said, there are a few areas where it falls short. The onboard dustbin is fairly small, so if you have pets or deal with heavy debris, you might find yourself emptying it more often than you'd like. The single brush roller design also tends to collect more hair over time, compared to some of the newer anti-tangle brush systems on the market. And because the onboard water capacity is limited, this robot is really better suited for apartments and medium-sized homes rather than large houses. Corners, unfortunately, still need a bit of manual touch-up here and there. Now, about the price. At launch, the Roomba Plus 415X comes in at around $799, which honestly feels high when you look at what else is available in this price range. It offers a lot of convenience, but it's competing against some strong alternatives at that same cost. Where this robot really starts to make sense is if you can catch it discounted down to around $400 to $500. At that price, it becomes a genuinely great value. So who is this robot actually for? If you have a small to medium-sized home and you care more about convenience, like automatic mopping, self-cleaning docks, and hands-off maintenance, this is a strong option. But if you've got a large home, multiple pets, or you want the most powerful cleaning performance possible, you'll probably want to look elsewhere. That wraps up our look at the iRobot Roomba Plus 415X. Let me know in the comments if you're considering picking one up, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.